Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. It's an unusually sunny day here in SoCal. Usually it's sunny every year, except for this year we've gotten more rain than I think any other year on record or something like that. Anyway, I thought I'd do a quick video on this spray and cleaner polish from Honda. So this is the old Honda cleaner and polish. The bike was actually really clean already, and I'm having the NSX ceramic coated today. I got a good buddy of mine here, Matt, is working on the car, and he's getting some ceramic coating done. So I got inspired to get the bike cleaned up a little bit too. This is what the old one used to look like, and I actually used to prefer this better. It's the spray and cleaner and polish from Honda. I still got like 2 drops of this left, and this was really good stuff. But Honda discontinued that, and in place of it, they've got the one I just showed you, which is just as good, but I kind of feel like the other one was a little better. But I wanted to kind of demonstrate how you should use this thing. So you want 2 microfiber towels, and on the bike I don't care too much about the finish of the paint like I do on the car, because it is not as sensitive. Like I don't get scratches as easily and whatnot. That car, if I just drive it, essentially I'll get scratches from the air. So it's pretty simple stuff. Just spray it on onto the surface that you want to polish. Take a clean rag, not like this. Take a clean microfiber towel, and a better quality towel than this, hopefully, because these are the Costco ones and they actually suck. But like I said, on the bike's really resilient. The paint on my bike is very resilient. I've never been able to scratch it with these towels. That's why I'm doing this today. So you want to get that nicely rubbed in, and once you do, wait for it to dry for just a sec. Then you take a nice clean dry towel, again unlike this one, and you clean it, and look at that. It's just like, this stuff is miraculous. It works so well. And so today I'm actually doing my wheels with it, and I've already sprayed and cleaned these a little bit, and as you can see, that's like factory finish now. So this stuff is pretty damn good. In fact, I'd recommend this even on non-motorcycle related stuff, like your car perhaps, or any household metal surfaces, plastic surfaces that you might have that are painted. Works really well. And I'm sure it's very good for the environment too. Apparently the old one was actually pretty bad for the environment or something, which is why they came up with this version. Anyway, whether or not you own a Honda, I would highly recommend picking up some of this Honda polish and spray cleaner and polish, and having it handy for cleaning your bike. I hardly ever wash the bike unless it goes under mud or something like that. I never wash it. I just wipe it down, and then I use this stuff to clean it. And as you can see, my bike's just always super clean, and it actually has a few thousand miles on it now, a couple thousand I think. It's not my only bike, so I don't ride it that often, and with the cars and everything, and you know, my commute's only 2 miles, and I got to drop off my kid most days, so I don't get to ride the bike as often as I'd like. But yeah, this thing gets it looking nice and sharp, and it's a good way to take care of your ride. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll have more videos posted soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.